Welcome back to the top 10 digital transformation trends for 2017, brought to you by Futurum Research. We are into the final and 10th trend that we came up with in this year's list, and the trend is the destruction of organizational silos. Now, this is a big idea, and it's more of an organizational change idea than necessarily a technology idea. However, silos within organizations are one of the biggest challenges in terms of building customer experiences, improving employee engagement, driving profitability, and of course, rolling out new technologies within your organization. The silos that take place and exist between HR, operations, sales, engineering, development, even marketing and sales can be so big that they basically slow down the progress that companies are making when trying to implement digital transformation strategies. Now remember, we don't transform because we love technology or because technology is changing. That is simply a symptom of digital transformation. We transform because we seek to meet the client demands, the customer demands that new capabilities in the market are creating. So when a company is operating, the customer doesn't care about limitations that might take place because of a lack of communication that two departments has. The customer expects their journey to be frictionless, to be simple, to be connected, and to be worthy of repeating in most cases. And therefore, silos eliminate that from happening the way it should. Now, there's a caveat to this though. The destruction of silos, better stated maybe as bringing down the silos that live within organizations, is still not something that can be done completely. I mean, there's always going to be lines of communications between departments that will not be completely seamless. All the technology, all the collaboration tools, video conferencing in the world will not completely eliminate silos that take place inside of an organization. So we need to realize that the real goal for 2017 is to bring those silos down, to make the barriers that take place and exist in between the two departments or multiple departments inside an organization, making there less friction, less lost communication, that each department is able to access the others as needed in a simple and straightforward fashion. However, just know this is super duper important, because although digital transformation, as I said it before, may be something that a lot of people love talking about the technology, it really is a people-led transformation inside of an organization. We transform for the customer experiences we create, and then we transform for the business objectives that we meet. We're trying to be more profitable. We're trying to drive new revenues. We're trying to create wonderful customer experiences. We're trying to create an environment where employees can thrive and grow within the company. This is why we digitally transform. When companies have walls between departments, when they have walls between the customers and the communications that the customers have, when marketing and sales don't work together, when social media and marketing don't talk to each other, when comms, PR, and HR aren't all telling the same story, and of course when operations and those responsible for delivering product aren't working with the people who are selling the product, you're never going to create that optimal experience. And this is why thinking of transformation as a change first, people first initiative is so invaluable to your digital transformation success. Thank you everybody for tuning in to this year's top 10 digital transformation trends brought to you by Futurum Research. We look forward to bringing you more insights throughout the year and into the future. For more videos and more insights, visit us at www.futurum.xyz. We'll see you soon.